Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch between RTH and ETH sessions on TradingView. So first of all, come here on TradingView and then you just have to simply select the futures contract that you want to analyze. You need to make sure that you are using an intraday time frame because the RTH and the ETH session selection affects the intraday chart data. Now, when you are here on the chart in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you are going to see the SCT or ETH, or you are also going to see the RTH. So if you are seeing the ETH option over here, you just have to simply click on that in order to open the available session options. Now over here, you just have to simply select the option of the regular trading hours, which is RTH, and your chart will then filter the futures data to the regular session instead of showing you the full electronic session. For the CME futures, RTH is reduced session while ETH represents the main electronic session. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.